Hello students, I am very happy that one of my student advocate Harman Sahota and she has scored 7 bands in her first attempt. She was really a wonderful student. I congratulate her and let's see that what she has in his mind about success mantra and how we teach her. Harman.
Well, I am very excited and I feel very amazing after scoring this band, and I am grateful and thankful for my teacher to give me the guidance and share with me all the advices, and I can score that band only because of his support and guidance, and I want everyone to achieve this band score. If anyone who are watching this video is wanting to do better in their IELTS examination, I would definitely tell that please come to Success Mantra and take the guidance of my teacher.
Okay, Harman, thank you so much, and the Success Mantra team wish her all the best for her future endeavors. And we need some good students. If you people are struggling and you are not getting good bands, you are requested to contact to us. We have some online classes also, we have offline class also, and we will serve you the best. Congrats again,
Thank you,
Harman.
sir.
Take care of you.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
sir.